Lights out. Who's ready for Disney World?
Me!
King, are you ready?
Yay!
Can I get a Disney World on 3? 1, 2, 3. Disney World! Y'all headed to the airport.
It's early in the morning.
Everybody's dressed and ready to roll. We're on time. Thank
tired.
God. You're tired?
Yes.
You were not happy about getting woke up, were you?
I was happy.
I mean, you could have stayed in bed and we could have just went to Disney World and called you from there. No?
No.
Why not?
Because.
Because what?
Because I need to run around.
You need to run around at Disney World?
Yeah, like get some exercise.
King, it's almost your birthday.
Ooh.
How old are you going to be? 2?
Yeah. Go click the subscribe button. And when you with the song, you ain't popping.
You ain't popping if you ain't with the squad. Make sure you go hit the subscribe button like she said. Period. Okay?
And you definitely want to be popping for this video.
Hey, good morning, D'Angelo. How are you? Are you excited for this trip? Are you excited? Let me get a Disney World on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Disney World!
Where's your Disney World?
It's too early.
Oh, he's such a lame, you guys. Daddy's so lame.
He is lame.
Let's let them know we'll see them later, guys. We'll see you later, right?
Yeah! So, like, I was
Yeah, wake him up.
What's this?
That's the camera. Don't.
He ain't got no shoes on, so I'm not putting him.
Oh my God!
Wow!
Daddy, look at our kitchen! Daddy, look at outside!
Look, King.
I didn't get to sleep on the tiny room.
Oh my God!
Look, there's a
How did you get up there?
You just need to go up the stairs.
Look, King.
You just need to go up the stairs. Man, we got
He's
triple
like, where did you just come from?
We got
Look, King, look.
We got triple. Let's go.
Look.
Let's go in. You can even climb up.
Oh my God.
I can even sleep up here. Look, Dad. And I can even see someone down here. And there's her on TV.
What's up, y'all?
What's up?
Y'all like the house?
Yes, I definitely like this house.
Y'all ready to party?
Yeah, party.
I'm gonna go put up these groceries that we just got and make a couple calls, let people know I made it safely. Majestic Dunes. Oh, I see that.
That's the one I seen yesterday too.
But yeah, we gonna see y'all when we get to the park. When we get to the park, whatever time.
Turn right onto Wester Road.
There is no eating or drinking on the truck. And face coverings must be worn throughout the whole ride.
King.
Completely covering nose, mouth,
You
and
ready?
chin. Also, hang on to all of your personal belongings.
Ready, Nyla?
If you drop anything out of the truck, I'm not allowed to stop for it. Above your head, you're going to find a safari guide that shows you all the animals we have here on the reserve. Now, we won't see them all today due to migrations and sleeping patterns. Baobab is often called an upside-down tree. Underbelly, larger white stripes on their back end. Seated in the third row. Yep, sit down. Thank you, sweetheart. They get the name painted dog from the colorful markings on their fur. Are they doing something exciting? We know they're Maasai because of the shape of their spots. Their spots have that messy, lacy edge to them. There. Baobabs also live largest and lightest color of all the flamingos. They get that pink color from their diet. Now the white rhino isn't actually white, they are more of a light gray. And look off in the distance, this is where the cheetahs run. Thick grass that a lot of the other animals don't care for.
Almost at Dino Land. Hopefully this wakes the kids up and they get to have some fun. Cause they're ready to go home right now. It's just too hot. Look at this one. He wants to be picked up. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Y'all see it? What? Cool, right? It's so cool, right, King? I don't like how that thing moving up and down again,
So scary. Really? They got 2- and 3-year-olds on there.
You know how I am.
I don't know what you're gonna do when we go to see the point.
We're not going to see the point.
We are.
I'm gonna eat my elephant ears and
get on. We're gonna get on the
play
grass.
a couple games.
We're gonna get on the
I
grass.
would never get on the grass. Remember when we took him to the state fair? He was trying to get out of the ride. He was trying to climb out the ride. He took the seatbelt off. He actually did climb out. Yes. So hopefully he'll be trying to climb out the ride. D'Angelo gonna be holding him, so I'm not about to deal with that. Oh my God, can we get this thing started?
Your numbers are ready to take flight.
Oh my God! I told y'all, oh my God. You like it, Naila? You not scared? Oh my God. You wanna go down? Oh! That's us tilting it, baby. Whoa! Good job, Nai. She's tilting it herself. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. One down.
Now, please stay seated until your triceratops comes to a complete stop. Then, make sure you have all your belongings and walk to the exit gate.
Oh my God, you were so brave. High five. Good job.
I don't know what this is.
King got fries and mandarin oranges. He also got a long coney dog with beans. He won't listen to me. And of course, I got basic chicken strips, fries. What? Are you really? Oh my God! Oh! King! What the heck?
Why is it do that?
He wants some chicken. My son wants some chicken. Too bad you're a vegetarian.
That's all I have.
I didn't get a little bit of juice, baby. Y'all see that? I just offered you some of my food.
The thing is, baby, why don't you order everything that you what you need?
I didn't think I wanted them, so I think that's why.
You don't want anything to drink?
Correct. I was
How
gonna
can you
drink
eat
water.
dinner without a drink?
Water, because it's hot
That's
outside.
not what you want, obviously, right? Who wants water with dinner? You don't want water with dinner?
I repeat, do not come to Disney World with a 2-year-old.
Right. Who do that?
I would suggest wait till they about 6, honestly.
6.
Yeah, because look, she's 4. Maybe she ready to go. She 4, she ready to go.
Oh, I just can't wait to take the body captain. Let me hear you triumphant. Hey everyone, look! It's the Lion King! Welcome, Simba, you are right on time! Hey guys, it looks like we're all here! Let's go! Every creature of the rugged sea. For the last time, I want quiet! Thank you. Maestro, if you please. Be prepared for the murkiest town.
We done made it out the park, y'all. On our way to go get something to eat. Seems like it's impossible to get cool though. It's super, super hot. The kids are exhausted, as you can see. King's still up, but he'll be out in a minute. So we got to figure out what restaurant we got to go to, and I'll see y'all later. That's all they eat. It's bread. What can I get? I would like, the salmon dinner, 8 ounce? It's a 6 ounce and an 8 ounce.
There's a 5 ounce and an 8 ounce.
Okay, 8 ounce, please.
Wait, turn this to me. See ya in a minute. Peace. If you in the sky, you ain't popping. You definitely want to be popping.
You definitely want to be popping on this video.
Oh,
Period.
Right?
Y'all, it took us so long to get our food that as soon as the food got here, we asked for boxes and we packed everything up. We ready to go in the house, okay? But yeah, so that might be it for today. I think I'll see y'all tomorrow. Morning, y'all. It is Sunday. I believe it's August 1st. I just got out of bed. It's 10:40. I've been woke for a while, but I don't know about y'all, but I'm one of them people that gotta just lounge in the bed until I'm really ready to get up. But yeah, I'm up and I'm about to go cook breakfast. I'm about to cook some of these pancakes, these Mickey Mouse pancakes for the kids. Good morning!
What's up? And you got my bro King in the building.
What's up, King? What? Hey!
Today, don't believe it's King's
Oh, show
birthday.
us your pretty pajamas. Ooh, you like those?
Yeah, I do like those.
See y'all, they got the little pancake maker. It's about to be cute.
It's cute.
It's about to be cute. I'm about to put the bacon on this bacon one in the oven because I don't feel like cooking bacon on this. I'm about to wash this. I gotta wash everything. I don't know who been using this and what they clean up, but it just feels super greasy. I really can't fit all this bacon in here, but I'm gonna make it fit. Cause you know we gonna make it do what it do, baby. I literally say that in each one of my vlogs for some reason. There's our bacon pan, our bacon piece. They went upstairs. Yo, girl got some peace and quiet. I hope I don't gotta wash dishes. I gotta read this house manual because if they talking about you gotta clean up, I'm gonna be irritated. We went to one Airbnb and they told us we had to take the garbage out, put the dishes in the dishwasher. Like, it's just feeling like too much at home, not vacation for me. I don't like that part. Y'all supposed to do the cleaning. Y'all charges us a cleaning fee, service fee. I ain't got no measuring cup, y'all, so I'm just about to use this as a cup and we can call it a day. Let's see. Chef Curry with the wrist, boy. Hey. You gonna try to teach me how to cook? I finally got this right, y'all.
Happy birthday.
Practicing blowing out your candles, King. Y'all, breakfast is ready to be served. Get into them pancakes. I promise y'all the bacon is not that burnt. I know it looks like it looks bad, but it's turkey bacon. I like my bacon crispy, period. But especially my turkey bacon. It gotta be crispy. If you know, you know. Period. I just did my makeup. We really just took pictures. Unfortunately, King didn't want to take any pictures. He went to sleep, so hopefully we can get a picture after we come from the pool before we go to dinner. We attempted to get pictures out the way, but again, King did not want to cooperate. But yeah, sure, I beat my face. We about to go to the pool. Oh my God, so cute. Okay, let me stop feeling myself. I was gonna take my makeup off at the pool, but before we go to the pool, but I think I'm gonna just keep it on. I'm gonna meet y'all in the car because Shorty missing some things and the kids been waiting to get in the pool. So I'll see y'all later. It's almost your birthday, man. You ready to turn up, King?
Daddy, can you bury me in the sand?
Sure.
They got sand here?
King, get in the water. No, oh my God, no. No, you don't take your pants off, baby.
I can't even swim.
Whoa, King. No splashing. I didn't have time to wipe this makeup off, but I think I'm about to figure it and take this shit off today. I'm low-key embarrassed. I know they probably like, this bitch got on all this damn makeup. And it's hot as hell out here. The fuck? The most embarrassing thing is to be standing next to somebody and your makeup dripping. Be in makeup. These are literally the best makeup wipes ever. Thank me later, y'all. Neutrogena. Alright, I'm about to go play in the pool with the kitties, and I'm gonna see y'all later. Can't move, okay? It hurts, okay?
Come on.
This is really good. King is too independent for us. He want to do his own thing.
Oh, he can't iron. Get them. Look.
That boy 2 years old, going on 15. What the?
Hey.
He's a runner. He's a tracker. He's a tracker. Oh my God! Oh my God! You need a leash, little boy. Oh my God! I thought he made it to the pool. Oh my God! Sorry if I was so dramatic. Okay, I gotta go because I just almost had a heart attack. Where was we at? Oh, the work part. Detroit.
If you take me for a host, I'm gonna take it to your porch. Only fear the Lord. Anybody else can see the Lord. Give me 30 seconds later.
Oh my God, are you serious? I see masses, everybody. I don't got no. Oh, do I got the none? I don't think I got none. You want me to go in and buy some real quick? Because we're gonna have to need them for the parking tomorrow anyway. Okay, a lot of people do got masks on. They said that it's supposed to be high risk coronavirus. Oh my God. Line. Stupid. I gotta go get a basket real quick. But yeah, like I was saying, we are getting the kids some snacks, some breakfast for tomorrow. Because we got an early and long day. And we're trying to be a little bit more prepared than we was before. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. He looked at me like he wanted to smack the fuck out of me. Nigga trite. Oh my God, it's so crowded in here. So we about to get out of here. D'Angelo said that he thinks that the state is about to shut down because of coronavirus. Again, people baskets is crazy full. The line is still going. Oh, the line is still going. Oh my God, the line is all the way to the back of the store. Wondering why it's so, oh my God, the line is still going. We're at the back of the store and it's curving.
It's crazy. Is this not crazy?
Wow. Hopefully we can gather all the things we need. We won't be able to sing happy birthday to King because we couldn't get no cake and candles. We're gonna have some
cupcakes from a gas station.
No. We're just gonna wait till we get back home.
Oh, man,
and do cake and ice cream at my mom's house. Crazy. We'll probably see y'all when we get back to the house. So we're about to get this food, get some snacks, and get back in where it's safe. Good morning. We're Magic Kingdom ready. Hey, it's your birthday, but you ain't gotta act like it. Hopefully today is full of adventure and better than Animal Kingdom, because Animal Kingdom was kind of boring. Like I would probably never go there again. Ever. We're here! Look at the castle! Oh my God! Look at the castle! Wow, just beautiful. First ride of the day is the merry-go-round. You guys ready? King, you ready? He's like, what is going on? King. He's so confused. He said, I'm ready to go. Are you guys ready? Hey guys! Oh my God, King! Oh my God, look at our shirt! Apparently it was nap time and we didn't get the memo. So King is gonna wake up on his birthday and notice that he has all of his favorite toys. He absolutely loves Toy Story. Literally watched at least one Toy Story movie a day. So this is gonna be exciting for him. D'Angelo is so excited. D'Angelo is more excited.
King!
Wait till y'all get closer, baby. So
King!
Look, King! Look! He is out of there.
Ain't he? King! Look, man! King! Look! Buzz Lightyear! Look, King! Look!
Look, King! Look!
Baby.
King, say Forky. Say Forky. Say Forky. It just started pouring down rain, y'all. Literally, as soon as we got under this tent, it started pouring. Oh my God, this is crazy. And we're about to leave. Oh my goodness. We made it just in time. Oh, it feels so good. We about to get on the ferry since we took the train here. The boat is arriving. The boat is arriving. D'Angelo got me power walked into the car trying not to get stuck in the rain. I'm too thick for this. My thighs are rubbing at this point, okay? It's so pretty in here, y'all. It's so nice. A whole huge bar. Look at the kitty sit at the bar. gorilla. Yay. Everybody got their food. Clap, 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 clap. Yes, yes. It's hot. You gotta blow it, honey. I've been really looking forward to tasting these Southwest egg rolls, so fingers crossed that they bomb as you know what. I'm happy. I'm a happy camper. This is good. Yes, everybody is here waiting. We're back for the grand finale. If you didn't think we was gonna go out with a bang, well, here you have it. Literally about to go out with a boom, 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 bang. King, you ready? You ready? Yeah!
And they all live happily ever after.